spend your allowance in 1 week? My parents don't give me allowance, but if I got 25,000 won at 1 week, I will buy snacks, allowance, for these 2 reasons. First, I like snacks because it is delicious, so I usually eat snack. Example of snacks in the of the school. I'm hungry. The situation, I will buy snacks and eat. I will buy ramen, candy, jelly, ice cream, or some drink. I eat the snacks. I'm not hungry, so I can study hard, and I feel happy because I'm not hungry. Second, can hang out with friends because my friends are going to buy snacks always. So I will buy some snacks in the end of the school. My friends go together, so I buy with friends. I'm not lonely. That's good thing of the buy snacks in the end of the school. In conclusion, if I get 25,000 won a week, I will buy snacks because I like snacks and hang out with friends. Thank you for listening to my presentation.